Welcome back, adventurers! Today, we're diving into the realm of extreme cold weather camping with a product that's been making waves in the outdoor community. Get ready to meet the ultimate companion for your chilly escapades. The Hyke Byke Eolus 0 degrees Fahrenheit cold weather mummy sleeping bag. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let me make one thing clear. If you're seeking the best sleeping bag for extreme cold, your search might just end here. The Hyke Byke Eolus is not your average sleeping bag. It's a powerhouse designed to keep you snug as a bug even when temperatures plummet to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted with precision and packed with premium features, this sleeping bag is a game-changer for adventurers who dare to brave the harshest of elements. Let's unpack why the Hyke Byke Eolus stands out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about warmth. With 800 fill-power hydrophobic goose-down insulation, this bag is like a cozy cocoon shielding you from the biting cold. Plus, its advanced design ensures that the insulation is distributed strategically, focusing on the warmth where you need it the most. But here's the kicker. Despite its impressive warmth, the Eolus is surprisingly lightweight and compact. Clocking in at just over 3 pounds, it won't weigh you down on your adventures. And thanks to its compression stuff sack, it packs down to a mere 12.5 inches long and 7.5 inches in diameter, leaving ample space in your backpack for other essentials. Now, let's talk durability. The Eolus is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its outer nylon shell, reinforced with vertical baffles, ensures durability while allowing for maximum adjustability. And with water-resistant YKK zippers and a DWR-coated liner, you can rest easy knowing that moisture won't stand a chance. But wait, there's more. This sleeping bag isn't just about functionality, it's also about convenience. With features like an internal gear pocket for your essentials and a snag-resistant YKK zipper, every aspect has been thoughtfully designed to enhance your camping experience. So there you have it, folks. The Hyke Byke Eolus 0 degrees Fahrenheit cold weather mummy sleeping bag, the undisputed champion of extreme cold camping. If you're ready to take your adventures to the next level, look no further. This is the sleeping bag you've been dreaming of.